We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Right here you've got your model number, serial number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com, hit register, and go ahead and get this registered so they know where the water heater's at, get your warranty going on it. Up top, we started with some brand new fittings. This is copper plumbing to the home, which is great. So over on that side, we took the old gate valve off, give you a brand new ball valve. So just a new adapter right there, 3/4 male adapter, ball valve, solid brass, and then a brass pipe nipple, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. So that's all 3/4 inch inside diameter. Everything is biggest. These are the biggest in the industry right here, the most expensive in the industry as well. But that's what we like. That's what we use. Over on this side, brand new adapter, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. So hot and cold, you're in real good shape now. The copper plumbing flows really well. You know, life expectancy 25, 30, 35, 40. We've seen it in place a long time, but house is probably about 30 years old, so copper plumbing is probably in good shape. We did give you a new vent up here. It's an adjustable 90 that goes up into your ceiling bucket. So that ceiling bucket right there, that big metal piece right here, that guy, that's yours. It's supposed to be underneath the sheetrock. It's up on top, just free floating. It's not mounted or anything, but that's not our deal. So that will move around, you know, if you bump this vent pipe around. And then, you know, beyond that, it's a dual wall B vent in the attic through the roof. So just leave that alone. You should be okay. Don't get up here and fuss with this. If you have any trouble with the water heater, let us know. And but you can see right now that pipe is dead center of the hole all the way around. But it does move laterally back and forth. So anyways, adjustable 90, single wall vent pipe, adjustable 90 down to the draft diverter. Unit comes with a temperature and pressure relief valve. So safety feature here, too much temperature and or pressure. This guy's going to pop off right here, and it's going to drain down into that line and then out to the side yard through this door. There's a little drain line stubbed out right there. Upper third, we got the adjustable straps, and then lower third, the adjustable straps. We did give you a new gas shutoff valve and connector. This pipe here was stubbed out about this far because they had this controller spun all the way around here, and so the line didn't reach, plus they had a short connector, and so we shortened it up. No reason for that pipe to be sticking out that far. So a brand new nipple in the wall, brand new shutoff valve, brand new gas connector over here to the controller. You can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So right now what we do is we set it right here to hot, which is approximately 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. So at B140, third degree burns in 3 seconds. Infants and elderly, 1 second. You're going to the hospital, so be mindful of that. You can turn it up. CDC recommends 140 to keep bacteria from growing in the tank. The Environmental Protection Agency recommends 120 for safety, so you don't get scalded in the home. So I'll let you decide what to do. One advantage to turning it up to 140 is you're using hotter water, which means you'll use less water. You send 140 over to a shower, you cannot stand in that, so you're going to mix that water with lots of cold, which means it will deplete less water from this tank. So it'll feel like a full 65-gallon water heater if you turn it up. But like I say, for liability purposes, we leave it right there at 120. Besides that, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this insulation is done.